Very good morning, students. I'm Sivesh Misra, and it's your first video from my side for you all. Well, since our English teachers are teaching you literature part, and I have taken the writing skills part, so I will tell you today about writing skills. Uh, and what is writing skills? That one I will tell you. But before that, I will tell you what is what's your English marks distribution for your class 11, because you people just joined class 11th and there is slightly difference from the class 10th marking scheme and class 11th marking schemes. So that's why I will explain it to you first, and then I will go for the topic. Well, you see here, your total paper will be of 100 marks, in which first will be reading skills. That will be of 20 marks. That one I will also tell you in my coming videos. Then you have a writing skills. That will be of 20 marks, and it is including short composition, long composition, and letter writing. All these things will included in writing skills, and I will tell you about the writing skills one by one in my coming videos. Then you will have the basic English grammar, which you have studied in class 10th, and in that particular grammar question, it will be related to like tense, articles, and many more other things which you have already studied. So I hope those things will not be a tough thing for you. Then you have a literature part, and that is also of 30 marks. And at last you will have ASL, that will be of assessment of speaking and listening skills. So all this includes 100 marks. Now here in my this video, I'm going to tell you about the writing skills that consist 20 marks, and in that particular writing skills you have three parts. One is called short composition, another one is long composition, and then the letter writing. Today I'm going to tell you about the writing skills, and in that one I have opted the topic that is poster making. So first of all, we must know what is poster. The poster which you see on the street, or sometime on the road, or something like that, and how that particular poster is drafted, what are the things we have to see, that is the important part which we have to understand in this particular topic. This particular poster and drafting a poster or making a poster, you will get four marks for it, if you are making it in a proper way as per the norms and whatever the guidelines which you have to follow, if you are following in a right way. So first we understand what is a poster. A poster is a card or play card carrying some announcement, advertisement, etc. Like you have seen many poster in which you come to know some announcement, any kind of if the dengue is spread in the city or a state, so the announcement will be there. Blood donation announcement will be there. So this kind of announcement will be there. Then advertisement, sometimes the product advertisement is also there in the poster. Now the basic thing for the poster is that a good poster at once catches the attention of the passers-by. Whosoever is going and seeing that particular poster, it must be create attention toward those people, those who are passers-by, those who are just going through. So that one is the very important, and that's why we have to be very creative in it. Then it can be used to promote product, event, sentiment. Everything can be included in the poster, like product details, events related poster you are making, sentiment. Sometimes we are talking about patriotism, that is also the part of the poster. And addiction also, whatever the things which you have, like you want to give the awareness to the people, that can be used in the poster making. So for that one, you should have a striking design, means you must have a good creativity and have a ornate artwork. What is ornate artwork? ornate artwork is something like we see, you know, at the jewelry shop or any shop where the things are being ornated or you know, designed in that way, so that the people can enjoy that particular beauty. So the same thing we have to see, that giving all the information as well as the designing of that particular thing is very important in poster. Now, what are the points we have to take care while making poster? First is use caption. What is caption? Caption means heading kind of thing. Then use of slogans. What is slogan? Slogan related to that particular topic, like save water, save life. If you are making poster to save water, so you can write the slogan. You have seen also that save water, save life. So that is also very important. Now after that, you can use the logo, emblem and symbols related to it, like dropping of water, a tap or something like that. You can use in that particular poster, so it will look much attractive. Then pictures, diagram, sketches you can make as per your creativity. Then sometime in the poster you might have seen that the messages are written. It should be not very long, it should be very short and sweet, to the point and very short. Telegraphic language means it should not be in the full form of sentence. It should be in very common, very short and clearly understood by the people, those who are watching that particular poster. So these are the things which you can use in the message. Then the content. What are the content you will write as per your topic? Whatever the topic, whatever the poster you are making on the chart, you have to give the information about it. But that information or details must be not very, very, content wise. It should not be that much by that the people is not able to see or understand. The reason behind it, because the poster is being watched by the passers-by, and passers-by is not having that much time to see each and everything. So you give the information or details, but it should be in a very concise manner or very short manner. Then you can give in the data form or in the figures and all that statics form. That can also be a good idea. Then the next point is 7th, speciality. Whatever the things you are presenting in the poster, it should be eye-catching. That is most important thing. People should attract towards this, and if the people is attracting towards the poster, he or she can understand what you are trying to say. So it should be a very important thing for you. Then open-ended question. Open-ended question means something which you have mentioned on the poster that should be understood by the people, and they try to understand, yes, this is for that particular thing. It's like a blood donation, it's like save water, it's like to stay at home or save life, something like anything. It should be very clear. There should not be any kind of confusion by your poster. Okay, what you want to say, the people not able to understand, or the viewers not able to understand. It should not be like that. So you have to be very particular, very eye-catching. It should be very short and crispy, and all these things you have to take care. I will show you some examples also, so that you can able to understand. See some examples. Now you see here in this one, the poster is made for donate your eyes. What are the things has been written here? For the blind and help them see the world. Help them see the world. It is a caption which has been used in the head line, or you can say in the bold letter, and it's very attractive. It's very clear to everyone. Thus your eyes will see after you will be no more. I mean, it is given all the details. So it is this kind of thing you have to look after. They have made some picture also of eyes. So it is something by which you can attract the people to donate their eyes. This is something which you have to do while making poster. This way you have to do it. Like you can see here for more and one more thing, who is organizing that particular thing, you must mention in every poster. because some people, some organization is doing that kind of thing. So you have to mention that one. Like for more information, contact your nearest iBank or ISP. See the another example here. It's your friend Indian Postal Service. We are talking about post office and what are the things they are. So they have launched the new scheme related to saving, Sukh Sagar. Here, what are the features of that? And all the details have been given. Here, no poster is required. No, building of the post office is required. But see, all the details is given. All the good lines have been written. And at last, it is written, for more details, contact your nearest post office. Now next example you see here, it is related to the Berger Paints, which is very known company, so it is giving all the details like available in 42 shades, environment friendly chemicals, protect from pests, bulk economic packs. All these things are the features, and colors change your life. This is a caption. All these things, this way you have to use your creativity. You might have seen so many newspaper in that particular, so many poster are being used for the advertisement, for the poster purpose. So that one you can also use. You can see that you can create the idea, you can get the idea related to it. Then you can see another example. Here it is a drug addiction, and about it is mentioned. So don't hug the drug, and it will suck your blood, and all such a good line it is written. So these are the things which you can use as per your topic. So what I'm trying to say, you have to be little bit creative. You see the world, you see the television, you see the newspaper, you will come to know many ideas, and through which you can able to make the poster, which is very very creative things, and it is really very helpful to score good marks. See again here it is related to earthquake. What is that? It's about warning. So all the features, what are the things we have to do when this earthquake occurred, like take refuge in the corner of the room where you are. All these things, it's a very common thing, just you have to write in a very short manner, so the things can be good. Here issued in the public interest by Lion Club Sardar. So all these things, and who has sent this particular, it is also mentioned in it. Another example you can see related to the school bag. It's for business purpose, and here all the things has been like all the features related to this particular bag has been mentioned, like long belt, suitable padded, dark brown colors, locking system, convenient handle. All these things are there. So it is related to business. So all these things you can use it in your school bag. So these are the examples which will help you to make posters. And this is this particular topic, short composition, and in which poster making is very important, because you can score 4 out of 4. It is having 4 marks question in your board examination, in your annual examination of class 11th as well as 12th. So you have to get practice of it. You try to be more creative, and I hope these examples, what are the points I said, it will help you to make a good poster. I'm going to give you a few questions related to this topic in my worksheet. You have to do it also. I will check it when the school reopens. First. Second, we are giving the short test series also, which is going to start in days to come. So that one also, you in that particular thing you have to also participate, give your best. It's just a test, but you have your attendance and your attempt is very very necessary, not only in English but all the subjects. You must attempt all the test series, which is going to be held every Saturday and Sunday from this week onwards. Okay, so please participate in it, and keep in touch with the studies, so that you don't feel bored at home, and do your best and take care of yourself and of your family as well, obviously, and don't go out. Stay home and take care of everything. Thank you.